How's it going? On all my previous tours, I used a strap much like this to attach the front bag to the bike. Ended up upgrading on one of the last tours to this to be able to clip it off. That's real cool. I can get the bag off in like, I don't know, less than 10 seconds and have it ready to unpack. Unfortunately, to put it back in, it takes quite a bit of struggle, and every time I took it off, the straps, fell about and I'd have to put it back on. So I found that after reviewing this video, it ends up taking 4 minutes and 20 seconds to get the bag back on. So I'm kind of lazy. I don't want to spend that much time after riding my bike all day long and doing all that, having to get up the next morning. I don't want to spend 4 minutes messing with the bag every time. So what I did is I went on Amazon and I bought a sling for the front bag. It also comes with a dry sack. The listing says that this thing is 10 liters, but no, I'd say maybe maximum of 8. So yeah, basically this is a sling that connects to the front of the bike by Shahu. I think they're trying to sound like Shimano, but no, Shahu. And it basically allows me to put it on there very, very quickly. Once this is connected, I can take the bag off just the same as like the other one, where I just unclip it, bag's in hand. And then everything stays put. So the next morning when I wake up, I can put it right back on, clip the 2 straps, and within 30 seconds to probably a minute, if I was really fumbling around, I got the bag back on using the sling. This should definitely make things much, much easier on me. I've taken the sling and bag out on a ride. It held up pretty good. I did add one of my previous straps on the middle just as a backup, just in case one of the straps break. I want to be able to have something to re-secure it. I do recommend replacing their little 3 to 8 or 7 liter bag with Cast King dry bag. It's a much heavier dry bag, and it is also 10 liters. So unless you can get away with 8 liter, then I would definitely go with that one. It's actually a little bit lighter, so you're not carrying them around as much weight. I added reflective stickers onto these, so basically the bag shows up anytime a headlight shines on it. Makes it easier to see. I like it. The system works out a lot better. I already tested it out. It doesn't sway like the previous way I had it hooked up. Try to have a good day. Recording. Yeah. How's it going? I decided, I thought I decided not to use that. How's it going? Previously on all my previous tours,